Pero yung pangalawang name that we give to the sacrament is Last Supper. Kasi ito yung pinapakitang connection with the supper that the Lord took with His disciples on the night of His Passion. Sa Holy Thursday po, if you have a chance to attend, to celebrate that Mass, ang talagang highlight noon is not the washing of the feet. The washing of the feet is only a reenactment. Yung pong minsan kasi yung drama ng washing of the feet, doon tayo nakatutok di ba? Pero ang talagang highlight noon is the night that Jesus took the bread and the chalice and gave them to His disciples. Kaya ang sinasabi nga natin, after nung Holy Thursday, sa gabing yun, meron tayong ginagawang pagtatanod. Di ba? Nagtatanod po tayo. Kasi para to savor the greatness of God's love in the Eucharist.